Now listen.
Hello guys, welcome back to Calaroot 01. I haven't uploaded in a while. A lot of people have been asking me how do you install the Wi-Fi? So like this is Kali Linux. This is the version, not the newest version. I like 2019.4. I actually made a copy of it, which I'm able to like run it. I can install 2020.2 of Kali Linux. Many people ask me this questions: how do you get your wireless wireless adapter to display all these networks? So example, my networks will be around me, Netgear 22, Netgear 20. Why do I see so many? Because my wireless adapter is not just a 2.4 gig, it also supports the 5 gig. So the 5 gig is the longer range. For 2.4 gig, it's only like around your household. That'll be it. And this is my wireless. It actually comes from Alfa network. It's an AWS 1900. Supports Mac OS, Windows, and some others. It has one of the features that has, hold on, let me show you. One of the features that has of course USB 3.0, 4 antennas for good speed and other stuff, and supports, it supports for the wireless security. It's web, WPA, WPA2, WPA, PSAK, you guys know, etc. like that. So this is the wireless card I'm using. I recommend this, one of the best. Honestly, it's pretty expensive, but if you guys can't get this one, I recommend getting the I think it's the Alfa AWS H something. I can't remember the whole number, but it's AW. It's only like 2 antennas. So imagine these two out and only has these 2 antennas, which it also supports a 2.4 and a 5 gig. I think it's only 2.4, I think. Well, this is the best one. It literally cost me like almost 90, 70. I think it was 70 or 80. I don't even think it was 90. But the point is that we're gonna install the Wi-Fi driver. So if you guys don't know how to install the Wi-Fi driver, let's say you're on Linux, right? For Calaroot, you're on actually Kali Linux. Sorry, I don't know why I said Calaroot. You're on Kali Linux, and you know the default password. I mean the username is root, and the password is tour, which I nowadays, for whoever has 2019.4 like me that prefers it than the new one. Honestly, I don't like the new version. So you want to go to your browser, you go here to your left icon, go to your web browser. I already have it open, and you will navigate to a website called rockland.com. So don't put the C in there, so rockland.com. So the website will be looking something like this. You guys rock on support. As soon as you're here, you want to go into support. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. My bad. You want to go into support. Yeah, now that you're here, you'll see this. Many people get so confused right here because you don't know which Linux driver you have, right? So for my wireless adapter, the AWS 1900, which is this one, basically for all Alfa adapters, you want to get the one that says right here, it's Alfa's AWS Linux driver. Don't worry about the other ones, you only need the Linux driver. So now that you're here, before, many people would do is they clone this, or they run this, they run the dimensionals, they run the drivers. This is not how you do it. Well, you do that second. How you do it is that you would go here, click code, I don't know if you would say clone or clone, download the zip file, which here I download it, it's completed. You close this window, you go into your file manager. Your file manager, if you guys don't see it, like here on my screen, I actually put it here on my desktop because I couldn't see it. You go into here, your little icon, and type file, just that file, and then your mouse right click it, and it'd be like add to desktop, and then it would appear here on your desktop. Now that I have it, go into downloads. So in your desktop, you know, when you open file manager, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna go into your downloads. You're gonna from the zip file that you downloaded from the browser, from the zip file that you downloaded from the GitHub, you're gonna right click it. You're gonna put extract here, which this will open up a file, like a new file. This is a really long name, so you have to rename it here. Click rename and just rename it RT to make the command line like a little bit easier, much easier to work with. So now that you got this, now you wanna, sorry, my bad. Now you wanna go back to your browser or rockland.u to install the Linux drivers for the Alti drivers for the network card. So now you would want to get, you might want to open a terminal. Oh god, I know it's kind of. So mine, see, like mine, it's already installed. You should get this DMS install complete, finish running the DKMS install steps. So this may take some time depending on your network speed, you know. So want to go to a new tab. What you guys would copy, this code, sudo apt install dkms, and then it would install it. Usually it's already installed, but how would you navigate to your folder on the terminal? You would do cd. So to list your directories, right? Let's start from beginning. To list your directories like that. Now you need to navigate to this where you download it. So cd downloads. So cd is to move into a directory. Downloads. Now that you're in that download directory, command clear to clear the screen. And now you want to do list of directories, ls. See, now this is a zip file you downloaded previously on the browser. What you name RT to work with the command, you want to go into the RT. You don't want to go into the zip file because that will mess up your entire thing. So cd RT. Oh, I pick RY, my bad. And RT. Now that you're in the RT folder, you want to click clear on this. To make it bigger, I'm going to zoom in on this so you guys can actually see. Now that you're on this, now you want to copy this code, sudo apt install dkms, copy it here, and they would install it. Now to install the Wi-Fi driver, in order like to install, this is my wireless adapter, the 1819 WS 1900. So now you would copy this code, sudo.dkms. You can type it, or like me, I just copy it to make it easier for me. Now this, don't worry about this, because this is, if you like type this last command here, you would remove everything. Then you had to restart everything we just did, which is not great. So you do sudo dkms, and then you just let it run. So it would show something similar like this. See, like the dot. That depends on the times of speed or speed of internet you might have. And then at the end, you should have this, install complete. That's how you would install everything, like all the drivers and everything. So like we went, step one. Step one was to navigate to rockland.com. Step two was going into the support page. Step three, you want to get the the Linux driver. Step four, we downloaded this we downloaded the zip file. Step four, we downloaded the zip file. We extract the zip file from step 5. Step 6, you rename it RT. Step 7, went into the terminal, went into your directory of RT. Step 9, we installed the Wi-Fi drivers. So now when you click on your Ethernet right here on your wireless card right here, you go to more networks. You can see everything, all your networks, including, because we downloaded the Wi-Fi card and the Wi-Fi drivers. Not the Wi-Fi card, I mean the Wi-Fi drivers. In order to see like every single network around you. Me, since I have the 5 gig, I can see mainly like, I think from where I live, my apartments, I can see like 2 to 3 apartments, entire network areas like here. And of course you have an Ethernet, which is this iMac thinks I have a LAN network connection connected to the back, which honestly I don't. And to prove that, I'll show you guys. So right here, where's that at? Oh, it's right here. This, where is it at? I think this one right here would be my LAN network. So it'd be the cable. It thinks I have a wireless network cable connected. I mean, not a wireless cable, a LAN network, a cable. You know, like an actual cable going to the router and then to the Mac. Yeah, it doesn't. So it's virtually. That's what many people don't understand. And then this is my I can't even speak today. My wireless adapter 1900, which displays the networks around me. And then soon in my other video, I'll be uploading a new video how to create a fake network using this. Now that I have this is the first step you need. So in order to make a fake access point, they call them, to trick people to connect to your network, and then you can see what they're doing and moderate what they're doing. I first start off with you guys, like let's say you have a spare phone, right, like an Android. I'll do it on your own network and your own phone, because if we do it on other people, that's illegal activity and may cause you to get in trouble. So stay tuned for more videos, and this video was all about how to install the Wi-Fi drivers on your wireless adapters. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, it's CaliRoot01, and support my channel, and please share and please like.